Hey guys, okay, we're back for the Apple Watch Part 3 video. So we had the issue where they said it was going to be sent and it wasn't. It was just the empty box, which I had kind of figured that's exactly what was going to happen. But I will say that the person from Apple called the day that it was supposed to be here, and they also called after we actually got the watch back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically go ahead and just show you how everything came back and what watch that they
Okay,
sent us.
so this is the box that it came in. Um, it was basically shipped to us the same way that we sent it to them in this little white Apple Watch box right here. Um, they did send us this right here, which is just basically the Apple Watch guide. Um, Here was the plastic. She wanted to put it on before I could even get the review done, but this was on the watch. And then the watch was sitting right in here. So, the question that everybody wanted to know, what watch did they send you? What watch did they send you? The original Apple Watch. We'll get that to focus right there. So it actually is the original Apple Watch, the same watch that we sent. What I'm hoping is that they realized what the battery issue was, and they corrected that issue. Now, this band was the band that we originally had. This band did not come back with the watch. It was just the face of the watch. So far, the watch has been working fine. There's been no issues with it at all. The battery's lasting a lot longer. One thing I will say that we realized before this um, watch quit working was the battery life was not very good. You were maybe getting 7 to 8 hours. By the time you left in the morning and got home from work, it was normally at between 15 and 20%. So the battery was not lasting very long. We're talking just like minimal use on this watch. But Apple came through. They got everything addressed that needed to be addressed. They sent us out the new watch.
So really, I couldn't be happier. There was some issues in the beginning, but for Apple to realize, hey, look, we're having a battery issues with this serial number watches or whatever it was with this first gen watches, and to extend that warranty out, I think was extremely nice of them. I just don't think it was readily known. There's tons of people on forums and stuff saying, "Hey, look, this happened to me. I had to pay, for a new watch or XYZ happened," and they didn't get the same results that I did. I'm happy. I'm glad it turned out the way it did. I don't know what else that Apple could have done. I'm assuming, there's probably a way they could have sent an email to the people they knew were affected and just said, hey, if this happens, or just, I mean, it's registered with your Apple ID. I'm assuming Apple would have the information that they could at least send out an email and said, hey, look, if you have this watch and this happens, please contact us. Your warranty's been extended. So 'cause some people, if that would happen, they would have took it to the repair shop or something like that. And my understanding is people were going into the Apple store, and the Apple store is basically telling them to kick rocks. That hey, look, I don't know what you're talking about. It's not happening. We're not doing it for free. That's the box being shipped to us sending it back. We didn't pay a penny. So I am so happy that Apple stood behind their product and was able to get it to work. So like I said, so this is the watch. I mean, it is the original one. I'm not going to complain because they sent it to us like they said they were going to. So if you enjoyed the video, please click the like button. If you want to keep up with more content or anything, right down here there'll be a button that you can click to subscribe. I thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.